In the category of Excellence in Repositioning or Redevelopment, the finalists are New Lab at Brooklyn Navy Yard, Brooklyn, New York. New Lab is a design and prototyping facility for the development of advanced technologies and new manufacturing techniques. The shell and industrial workspaces of the building were originally constructed as a machine shop by the United States Navy in 1899. Inspired by the building's rich history of innovation, the co-founders envisioned a way to return the building to relevance, launching New Lab in 2016 with the aim of championing entrepreneurship and innovation. As part of the renovation, the exterior was stripped to its original steel skeleton and completely reclad and restored with new insulated windows and metal panels matching the historic construction. Interior spaces are divided between private workspaces for individual businesses and education tenants, shared or overflow workspaces, meeting rooms, a cafe, and spaces for interaction, exhibits, and events. Multiple workshops are placed throughout New Lab, providing facilities for fabrication in wood, metals, and plastics, and advanced prototyping. New Lab has contributed greatly to the redevelopment of the Brooklyn Navy Yard and serves as a catalyst for a diverse range of industries by igniting new paradigms in design, research, and manufacturing. 1271 Avenue of the Americas, New York, New York. The repositioning of the 2.1 million square foot former Time and Life building is one of the largest redevelopments ever of an existing office building. A new tower curtain wall helps to decrease overall building energy usage, improve building mechanics, and create an enhanced workplace with an increased sense of light and enhanced views. The lobby restoration and upgrade returns much of the landmark space to its original condition while also clarifying circulation and creating a multi-tenant lobby. Currently certified LEED Silver, the project is targeting LEED Gold for new buildings and major renovations. The redevelopment work also extends to the civic realm through the renovation of an existing subway entrance and the revitalization of the surrounding plaza, where a new gathering space recenters activity and creates opportunities for other uses. The extensive top-to-bottom renovation honors the 48-story building as an iconic mid-century modern skyscraper while preparing it for its next chapter through a carefully considered program of restoration, modernization, and improvement. 5 Manhattan West, New York, New York. The 16-story, 1.7 million square foot 5 Manhattan West features large floor plates and high ceilings that provide uniquely dimensioned, free-plan support space, ideal for forward-thinking companies that require flexible office environments. The most striking element in the building's transformation is the new facade, which replaces the formerly opaque exterior panels with iconic pleated glass, which allows daylight to penetrate into the building, provides the building with an aesthetic facelift, and establishes satisfying visual connections to its new urban context. Magnolia Court, an 8,600 square foot public open space, further integrates the repositioned building into Brookfield's dynamic 7 million square foot, 8-acre Manhattan West mixed-use development. Former loading docks for the old warehouse were transformed into desirable retail spaces, including a new Whole Foods, enlivening the ground floor for the first time. Through its repositioning and redevelopment, 5 Manhattan West has evolved from a concrete island in Manhattan to a premier office destination and a critical component of the Manhattan West development in the Hudson Yards district. Citigroup Global Headquarters, New York, New York. In 2015, Citi decided to consolidate its New York metro footprint into one global headquarters. Instead of constructing a new building, Citi chose to adaptively reuse 2 1980s buildings in Tribeca to create a modern and sustainable 2.6 million square foot campus. The ambitious project unified 2 previously disconnected buildings, created modern and more efficient workspaces, and unlocked the site's 50,000 square foot public space. The buildings are connected through a new integrated glass facade with a redesigned lobby and a public gathering space flooded with daylight and enriched by lounges, art, programmed events, and food service. The project also included the addition of a state-of-the-art auditorium open for public and charitable programs. With a focus on sustainability, the project optimizes its energy usage with upgraded building and lighting controls, a 6.6 megawatt cogeneration plant, and ice storage technology that shifts electric load to nighttime hours when load on the city's electrical grid is lowest. City's ambitious redevelopment project achieves its vision of creating an iconic headquarters that breaks down silos, fosters a common culture, and reconnects the buildings to the community.